John from Action Services, and right now I want to talk about mini pools, plunge pools, and cold plunge pools. If you live somewhere in Toronto or you have a backyard with a limited amount of space, one of the coolest and best features you can add is the swimming pool. A lot of people underestimate how much space a mini pool would actually require, and what you see behind me is a full representation of mini pool which we built. A typical swimming pool will require a certain setback from the property line, and typically this setback will be filled in with either a seating material, stepping stones, or in our case we used it for a garden space. And then what you see behind me is a cold plunge, which also works as the mini swimming pool. The same swimming pool has a waterfall behind, so it actually works as the cool feature which you could have. You could also use it for massage purposes by increasing the pressure of a waterfall, and we have super powerful jets inside of the swimming pool, so if somebody has a back pain or you're just tired after a workout or you want to relax after a really long working day, we can even turn it into a hot tub. It has a really powerful heater, so from going from a cold plunge it can become a hot tub, and you've got this ability to control the temperature and play around with both. The main difference which separates a cold plunge from a swimming pool and a hot tub is the systems and equipment which is used to operate it. Cold plunge will require a device which is called chiller. That's a device which cools down the water. Heated pool will require a heater. Depending on the strength of the heater is how you're going to determine how much of a temperature can you achieve in your pool. What you see behind me is a combination of a hot tub, a cold plunge, a plunge pool, and a swimming pool. And a plunge pool is essentially a pool where you're able to get in, cool down, have a couple of drinks, but at the same time you're not going to be using this as the full swimming area. If you're looking to build a swimming pool and you don't have a space to fit in a full size, Action Services specializes in mini pools, and we're the best guys to call.